Hello everyone! Welcome back to the brand new video of brand new channel. Today I am going to tell you about OBS Studio settings to record or stream without any lag. First of all, let me show you my computer specifications. I have a very low-end PC with 8 gigabytes of RAM and 2 gigabytes of graphics card. At this specifications, you will face difficulties to record or stream through OBS Studio. So, without wasting any time, let's get to the video. First of all, you have to open the settings by clicking on File and then Settings. Then, go to the Output section. Change the output mode to Advance. Below the streaming section, change the audio encoder to FFmpeg AAC, video encoder to X264, disable the rescale output and change the resolution according to your monitor. And then below the encoder settings, change the rate control to CBR. You have to change the bitrate according to your monitor. Change the keyframe interval to 2 seconds. CPU usage to ultra-fast, profile to main, and tune to 0 latency. After completing everything on streaming section, apply the changes and move to the recording section. Change everything according to these. After changing everything, apply the changes and move to the audio section. In the audio section, you do not have to change anything. After that, move to the video section. And here you have to choose the quality of your video according to the monitor. I have chosen 1080p quality for better quality. Change the FPS value to 30 FPS and then apply changes. After that, move to the advanced section and change everything according to this. Apply changes and then you can freely record or stream your videos without any lag. Thank you for watching this video and make sure to subscribe this channel. And if you have any questions or difficulties regarding to this, then you are free to ask. Goodbye and best of luck for your journey.